What is up, everyone? Welcome to CanvaPlay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Good Heart BA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, let me start our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a print on shirt effect in Canva. As you finish the video, you will learn how to seamlessly place a design on a subject's t-shirt and make it look realistic. We'll cover the illusion of double exposure and masking techniques to achieve this effect. This process involves blending the design with the fabric's texture and shadows, ensuring it looks natural and professionally done. With these skills, you can transform any plain t-shirt into a custom piece of art. Let's get into Canva and I will show you how to create a print on shirt effect. But before that, here is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. To start, get your subject image from photos or uploads. I will get mine from uploads. I will click it and insert it in my design. You can locate this image in photos by typing the keyword portrait of a man wearing black shirt and pants into the search bar. I selected this photo of a man standing straight in front of the camera, wearing a plain black shirt to highlight the shirt as our canvas. We will apply the print effect to the shirt later in this tutorial. Then, I will set this image as my background. Select it once more from Uploads. And this time, we will remove the background of our subject image. Click on the image, then click Edit on the floating top bar. Look for the background remover on the right side panel editor under the Magic Studio options. By the way, I'm using the new editor in Canva, so don't be confused if it looks different from the one we had before. It is because I unlocked the Canva Glow Up that was recently launched. I will resize this image to cover the entire page, making it exactly the same size to fit with the background image. Like this. To continue, let's select the image once more from the uploads. Let's remove the background again by clicking Edit and BG Remover. And this time, we will manually erase the man's shirt using the Brush Eraser tool. Click the BG Remover once more, and I will show you how it's done. After erasing the man's shirt, resize it to match the size of the two images we did earlier and make it fit exactly with the subject size. Awesome, we're getting there. For our next step, we will select a realistic Polaroid from our Elements library. I envision my design with a Polaroid featuring an image on the man's shirt area, as if the image has seamlessly transferred or absorbed into the shirt. To bring our concept to life, go to Elements. Here in the Elements library, on the left sidebar, search for the keyword photo frame, realistic frame with shadow. Hit enter, navigate to graphics, and select the first option from the list. Finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep searched to help you find the exact stock Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Going back, let's resize the Polaroid slightly smaller like this. And I want to change its color to black. To do this, I'll select it and hover to the edit button on the top bar. In the right side toolbar under effects, I will click on duotone. Clicking on it will reveal numerous options to choose from. I'll select the mono duotone effect, but I want it to be darker. So I will adjust the highlights into a more darker color. I think solid black. And shadows. I have a hex code in mind, which is a little bit close to solid black, which is number sign 272727, while retaining the intensity at 100. Next, we will add the frame to the open area of our Polaroid frame. This will allow us later to insert images of our choice into it. Let's go to the Elements library once again. Scroll down to the Grid section. And click the first frame in the options. Then, Crop the grid to fit the open area of the Polaroid frame, like this. After this, we will position the frame forward. We're now halfway through our tutorial. To proceed, we will now place an image into the frame. Go to the photo library on the left sidebar and type the keyword in the search bar, Jaguar in nature. Hit enter. I want an image that will complement the black shirt. So I think this one is the perfect choice for me. This image is featuring the animalistic skin of a jaguar with dark shades from the leaves and trees in the background. After inserting it in your design, I will place it now inside the frame. And I will slightly move it like this. I want to enhance the colors of the image inside the frame by going to the Adjust tab under Edit. Select the image. Click the Edit button at the top. Go to the Adjust tab here in the right sidebar and set the following settings to select area to whole image, brightness -5, contrast 13, whites 15, blacks 25, vibrance 50, saturation 70, and sharpness 8. Then, I will position it once again, the frame backward. After this, I will rotate the frame with the Polaroid slightly like this. Make sure to select both elements and place them behind the subject man with the background removed that we did earlier. Now that we have positioned our layers properly, the next step is to enhance the isolated image of the man in the shirt. To do this, select the image by clicking the first layer, holding the Control button, and clicking the next layer. Let's check it. Click Position. And as you can see, under the Layers tab, the second layer is now highlighted. Once selected, click the Edit button at the top. Then go to the Adjust section in the right side toolbar and set the following settings to select Area to Whole Image, Brightness 100, Contrast 100, Highlights 15, Shadows 80, Whites -30, Blacks 3, Vibrance 100, Saturation 70, Sharpness 40. Okay, we're almost finished. After enhancing the image of the man in the shirt, let's close first the Adjust toolbar. And after enhancing the image of the man in the shirt, adjust its transparency to 40. See how well it blends with the Polaroid frame photo of the Jaguar. Notice how beautifully it transfers onto the man's shirt. I will now zoom in so you can see it clearly. This is the final look of the design I created using the print on shirt effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, Good Heart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky, God Sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video.